Clove water is not just a spice drink. It triggers processes inside your body most people never feel until something breaks. And if you're over 50, this matters more than you think. What are those processes? The kind that quietly manage your digestion, your inflammation, and even how your cells respond to aging. Most people use cloves for cooking. Some chew them for fresh breath. But almost nobody uses them in the form that activates their real systemic power. That form is clove water. You see, cloves contain concentrated compounds like eugenol that interact directly with your digestion, your blood sugar, your internal bacteria, and inflammation pathways. But when you steep them in water and drink it, the effect on your body changes completely. It becomes broader, gentler, and more integrated. In this video, I'll walk you through the 10 most significant benefits of making this a daily ritual. But a warning, the strongest, most impactful effects are saved for the end, especially benefit number 2 and the game-changing number 1. If you understand those, you'll understand why this is more than just a home remedy. Let's start with a benefit most people notice first, something light and relatable. Almost immediately, clove water begins to soothe your digestive tract. It can ease that uncomfortable feeling of bloating after a meal and leaves your mouth feeling incredibly fresh and clean, acting as a natural, gentle antiseptic rinse. It's a pleasant way to end the day, but this is only the surface effect, the very first thing you'll feel. Now, benefit number 9. Clove water doesn't just affect your stomach. It changes what happens after your food is digested. It supports the function of your digestive enzymes, helping your body break down and assimilate nutrients more efficiently. This means you might start getting more value from the food you eat, with less waste and stagnation in your system. And before we move on to benefit number 8, which is a true game changer for how you feel daily, I need to ask you for a moment of support. Right now, 99% of people watching are not subscribed. If this deep dive into how your body works is valuable to you, please help this channel grow. I have a goal to reach 50,000 subscribers by the end of this month, sharing insights like these. Your subscription and your like are the fuel that makes it possible. They tell YouTube more of this. So if you're learning something, take that 1 second. Thank you. Now, back to the secrets of clove water. This leads us directly to benefit number 8. And it's a big reason many people feel lighter and less sluggish within just a few days. Clove water influences the environment in your gut. It can help balance the bacteria there, reducing the harmful fermentation that leads to excess gas and discomfort. It's about creating a calmer, more harmonious internal ecosystem. But now we're moving beyond the gut into benefits most people never connect to a simple spice water. Benefit number 7 is where things get serious. Clove water interacts with inflammation in your body, not by merely masking pain like a pill, but by influencing the biochemical pathways that cause it in the first place. The eugenol in cloves is a potent natural anti-inflammatory agent, which means it can help quiet down those silent chronic fires that contribute to stiffness, aches, and overall wear and tear. And this anti-inflammatory action is a key part of benefit number 6, influencing your energy levels. This isn't about a stimulant-like jolt. It's about regulation. By reducing the energy drain caused by constant low-grade inflammation, your body can allocate resources more effectively. Many report a more stable, resilient sense of vitality throughout the day, not a crash after a spike. And from this point on, the effects become much more systemic and significant. Benefit number 5. Clove water offers genuine support for your liver. Not in the way flashy detox myths describe it, but in a subtle, protective way. The antioxidants in cloves help safeguard your liver cells from oxidative damage as they perform their essential job of filtering toxins. It's like giving your body's primary filtration plant a shield, not forcing it into overdrive. This foundational support ties into benefit number 4, which matters immensely if you often wake up feeling tired, not rested. Clove water can have a moderating effect on blood sugar fluctuations. By helping to regulate insulin spikes, especially when consumed correctly, it can contribute to more stable energy levels through the night. This means your body isn't on a hormonal roller coaster while you're trying to sleep, leading to deeper, more restorative rest. Now we're getting close to the profound benefits, the ones that truly change long-term health trajectories. Benefit number 3 revolves around microbial intelligence. Clove water affects the delicate balance of microbes throughout your system, not just in the gut. Its antimicrobial properties are selective enough to discourage pathogens while being gentle on beneficial flora. This is the underlying reason why some people notice positive changes in multiple areas. More regular bowel movements, consistently fresher breath, and clearer, calmer skin. It's addressing a common root. Now for benefit number 2. This one is so powerful that for many seniors, it becomes the sole reason they drink clove water every single day. It combines everything we've talked about: improved circulation, enhanced blood sugar stability, and potent anti-inflammatory action into a single powerful defense against accelerated aging. It's about creating internal resilience, making your body more robust against the daily stresses that accumulate over decades. It doesn't reverse time, but it helps your systems function with more of their original efficiency. But we haven't closed the loop yet, because benefit number 1 is the core reason clove water can change the whole system. Benefit number 1 is systemic adaptation. Clove water doesn't work on just one organ or one symptom. Its blend of bioactive compounds influences how your entire body reacts to stress, to food, and to the process of aging itself. It's a gentle daily signal that encourages homeostasis, your body's natural state of balanced, optimal function. Over time, this isn't about fighting a single problem. It's about raising your entire baseline of health, making you less reactive to insults and more stable in your vitality. That is the true, quiet power of consistency. Now, let me show you the correct way to make clove water, because the wrong method destroys most of these benefits, leaving you with little more than flavored water. Here's the simple, effective method. Take 4 to 5 whole organic cloves, not ground, as that can make the drink too intense and gritty. Place them in a mug. Pour over about 250 milliliters of freshly boiled water. Do not boil the cloves directly for a long time, as excessive heat can degrade the volatile oils. Instead, cover the mug and let it steep deeply for 15 to 20 minutes. This slow infusion is non-negotiable. It allows the water to pull out the beneficial compounds without destroying them. After it steeps and cools to a warm temperature, you can remove the cloves. Sip it slowly. The best time is once a day, either in the morning on an empty stomach or about an hour before bed. Consistency in timing is as important as consistency in drinking it. And here is the common mistake that ruins it: using too many cloves or steeping for too short a time. More cloves do not make it better. They can irritate the stomach. A 5-minute steep is just flavored water. You need patience for the full extraction. Remember, with clove water, more is not better. It works through gentle, daily consistency, not through aggressive dosage. If this layered understanding of a simple remedy resonates with you, if you want to learn about natural supports the right way, beyond the hype, then stay with this channel. Your next step is to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. In the next video, I'll explain the critical exceptions, who should avoid clove water and why, because safety is the foundation of true wisdom. Now, I'm genuinely curious. After hearing these 10 benefits, which one surprised you the most or seems most relevant to your life right now? Was it the digestive calm, the energy regulation, or the systemic anti-aging effect? Drop a number from 1 to 10 in the comments below. Your insight helps shape what we explore next. Because when used correctly, clove water works quietly, but it works deeply. It's not a shout. It's a steady whispering signal to your body to remember how to balance itself.